Hi, in this video we are going to see on how to install HCL's ZIETrans software. Prior to installing ZIETrans software, we need to install its prerequisite software, which is nothing but IBM's Rational Application Developer. In short, it is RAD. So in this, we are going to install ZIETrans 1.2 version, which is the latest. So for that, the prerequisite version of RAD, it is 9.7, and you can add any fix packs as well if it is available. And we are going to use install manager provided by RAD in this. It is already installed here, as you see. It's a version 1912. Go to preferences, and I have already added the repository config path of the RAD install folder. So since it is already enabled, let us say OK. Go to install, select the version, click next, go next, accept the license. Then you can choose the install path here. Right now I'm leaving it to the defaults. It does the validation of the selected features. We need to select JSF, which is required for installing the ZIETrans software. Then let us select some of the WebSphere developer tools as well. XML software. Then other features. WebSphere application server classic, which is already been selected, so no need to again select. Let's go next. And click on install. This may go for a while. Installation is now complete. Let us continue installing the ZIETrans. Go to preferences again. Select ZIETrans software. Here I have selected disk tag INF of the ZIETrans disk file. Now install the ZIETrans. Select the version. Now click next. Accept the license. Then go next. This is trying to find the compatible packages which were all the prerequisites which it is suitable to be installed in. The one which we installed was STP. As you remember the path here previously when we installed the RAD. Let's go next. Select install. This will go for a few minutes. Now the ZIETrans installation is complete. Let us finish. Now let us verify the installation by opening ZIETrans toolkit. Here, as you see, recently added list ZIETrans toolkit. Open that. So here is the workspace selection. Let us launch the workspace. So what you see is the ZIETrans toolkit. Installation is successfully completed. You are able to open the ZIETrans toolkit. Thank you.